In this episode, we are going to learn about Major General retired Eliud Simon Mbilu, a long-serving naval commander. And you will learn that he is one of the reasons why we came up with the so-called JI-TENGE rules. He is one of the people who motivated General JI-TENGE to come up with JI-TENGE's rules, because he headed the Navy from 1978 to 1988. That is a period of 10 years. How many competent naval officers who could have headed the Navy were bypassed? So he's one of the reasons why JI-TENGE came up with the JI-TENGE rules, and we had other commanders, Air Force commander, Army commanders, and even Chief of the General Staff who would stay there forever. General Molinge was the CGS for 18 years. General Mahamoud was the CGS for 15 years. Combining the two, you come with 30-something. That is a whole career. Somebody joins the military, retires without even reaching the generals of a rank, because some people have stayed there forever. Now the history of Major General retired Eliud Simon Mbilu. He was born in 1942 in Mombasa. He was the first of the 6 children of John Kithuku Ndunda from Mulago in Kitui. But his father was staying in Mombasa when he was born in 1942. So in 1944, his father left Mombasa, went back to their Kitui home. So Mbilu started schooling at Kitui Primary School. Then from Form 1 to Form 6, he joined Shimolatewa Secondary School. He joined Shimolatewa Secondary School for Form 1 to Form 6, where he was always the first in the position. He applied to join Makerere University and study law. But at the same time, the military was looking for cadets. So he joined the military. Those days, even today, joining as a cadet, you join as a Form 4. But he was joining as a Form 6, which means he was a creme le creme. After joining the military, he was trained at Britannia Royal Naval College in Britain, and he came back to Kenya, joined Kenya Navy. In 1978, the then head of the then Navy commander, Lieutenant Colonel Kimaru, died in a road accident. Remember, Lieutenant Colonel Kimaru was the first black Navy commander. So from 1964 to 1978, those are 14 years. And then Mbilu takes over for another 10 years. You can see before the JI-TENGE rules, military commanders were staying there forever. So in 1978, Lieutenant Colonel Kimaru died in a road accident, and the then Major Eliud Simon Mbilu was made a lieutenant colonel and made the Navy commander. He stayed as a Navy commander from 1978 to 1988, when he retired. When he retired in 1988, he handed over to Brigadier Kibwana. So Kibwana was the Navy commander in 1988. And you remember Kibwana is one of the beneficiaries of the Tonje rules. He later became the CGS, Chief of General Staff, which today is called, which reverted to the former name of Chief of Defense Forces. After retirement, he was made the chairman of the Kenya Airport Authority. In 1994, after the Mutongwe accident, he was made the chair of the inquiry into Mutongwe ferry accident. We unfortunately lost him on 30th April 2017 at MP Shah Hospital after a long battle with cancer. Thank you.